Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down and then select accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page and then click on chimes. To enable chimes, turn this on. You should feel at ticks, then come to schedule and select how often you want to play the chime. So I set this to early, hit the power button again, come to sounds and select either bells or bed. Once you're done, hit the power button again, then it should say when this is on, selected sound and haptics will be played on the hour. Now, for you to disable chimes, just come here and toggle this off, and that is it. So that's exactly how to enable or disable chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.